If you're a business owner and you want to know how to use YouTube to get more customers coming through your doors, then you need to stick around. In this video, we'll share 5 ways you can use YouTube to boost your profile and gain clients. But before we get into those juicy, actionable takeaways, just a quick and shameless shout out to click the like button if you get value from this video. Also, if you want to save this video for later, just press subscribe and the video will magically be saved by YouTube as a favorite for you, so you'll know where to come back to run through the video again in future. Right, so let's crack on with the content. So as a business owner, why should you be using YouTube anyway? Well, if you're interested in driving non-paid for organic traffic to your site or your landing page offers or your social feeds, then it's really all about Google, right? It's the most popular search engine on the planet. But hang on, what's the second largest? Yep, YouTube. Just a few months ago, YouTube set a new audience record with 2 billion users in just 1 month. 2 billion! That's a lot of searching videos. Also, YouTube is owned by Google. So if you're creating content that YouTube ranks well because it's engaging and serving a defined audience well, then guess what? Your organic Google rankings will start to improve too. YouTube is also worth investing in creating content for because unlike other social platforms, the content is evergreen. It stays on the platform forever. It doesn't just disappear into the ether after a couple of hours like on Facebook or Insta. The average mobile viewing session lasts for more than 40 minutes. That means you've got potentially longer to get people to know you and your business. YouTube also has the best post-click engagement of any social media platform. That means you can foster longer lasting relationships on the platform with your potential clients over a longer period of time, so long as you're serving up relevant, useful content that genuinely helps them. Also, YouTube is growing more popular than traditional content services like mainstream TV. More people are now using YouTube for their video needs than they're using broadcast TV itself. This means that if you want to reach a massive audience and really build your brand, YouTube is the platform to use. We'll share 5 ways your business can leverage YouTube to get more customers through your doors in a second. But before we do, let's just take a super quick look at what you need kit-wise to start making content for your business on YouTube. You really don't need a massive studio setup to start creating YouTube videos. Chances are you already own what you need. A smartphone, right? Most smartphones record in HD, which is ideal for YouTube. So make sure you invest in a decent clip mic. The one I'm using costs about £20, and quite simply, you're good to go. Sound is critical. The other thing that's critical is that you know what the point of the video content you're creating is. The audience is busy, so don't waste their time with fluff or unplanned content. Concentrate on delivering actionable, valuable content that helps your audience, and now thank you for it. I've created more detailed videos on how to plan your content, how and why you must set goals before you start recording, so be sure to do that legwork before you press record. But once you're happy with the purpose of what you're creating, just don't let kit be a barrier, just crack on with it. You can always reversion videos later on once you've got better kit if you want to, or as your experience grows and you reap the benefits of creating well-planned video content that lands well with your super targeted audience. The only other bit of kit to purchase is maybe a tripod and a phone adapter to keep your phone steady. A decent tripod will set you back maybe £50 or so, and a little bit of daylight to light you, and you are off and running. So here we go, you are ready to rock. Here are 5 ways to get clients into your business with YouTube. Idea 1, share knowledge, commentary, or how-to information. If you're a business owner, chances are you've got massive expertise that other people could easily benefit from. Using a little bit of creativity, chances are you'll come up with a handful of ideas about how your business could benefit from communicating directly with its customers or potential customers using YouTube. For example, you could create a product demo or a product comparison video. Other options might be to showcase customer testimonials within a video, or create a how-to video that explains how to best use your product or service. Idea number 2, Product showcase videos. Showcasing products on a YouTube channel is a highly effective way to demonstrate products to your customers, talking them through the features and explaining how to best use a product and how the product or service can potentially help them solve an issue that they've got. All of this is great information to be serving your potential customers with. These videos will position you over time as an expert in these products and services, and also as someone that people should come to purchase them. Idea number 3, teach people how to use a product or service. The most commonly searched term on YouTube is how to. How-to videos for a product offer a different approach than a product demo, in that a how-to video is designed to teach someone how to do something using your product rather than just how to use the features of the product itself. Instructional videos can help reduce incoming customer service and support calls too. For instance, you can produce instructional videos to teach people how to assemble or use a product, plus help customers easily discover the true potential of a product whilst eliminating their potential frustrations as they learn how to best use it. Again, these videos provide value to the audience and are a great way of bolstering your after-sales service. Idea number 4, company stories. Every company has a story to tell, as do the founders or current leaders of that business. By telling your story, you're introducing a human face to the business. You'll create empathy with your potential customers too, as they come to understand the why of your business. You'll become so much more than just a cold, impersonal website online, and you'll quickly be able to build a sense of business awareness and loyalty too, if you craft your videos well and continue to help people with the knowledge and expertise that you possess. And finally, idea number 5, showcase your customer success. As business owners, we all understand the power of recommendations and testimonials. Potential clients will always hold back from engaging with a business until they've done at least some cross-checking and due diligence. It's really rare for clients to just commit to purchase straight off the back of a pitch from a business owner. Most people will seek to verify the claims made and check that the business services and products are as good as the business owner has made it sound. Video testimonials or customer success stories are a really powerful way of bringing to life just how your products and services can help potential customers. They'll be able to see objective feedback as to what it's like working with you or buying your product in the real world, and how as a result your client's life is now better for it. These videos are a really good way of driving sales and new leads into your business. Well, I really hope you've got value from this video. To dive into loads more detail about the strategy behind creating effective video content, as well as practical production how-tos, be sure to check out the other videos on this channel. It's a resource to help businesses of all sizes get the very best they can out of video marketing. And if you'd like help with any aspect of your video marketing, then pop over to our site mpvideoproduction.co.uk, where you can schedule a 30-minute consultation with us, and we can brainstorm together some specific ideas and strategies that can help your business grow. Listen, thanks for watching and see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.